is the biggest week of the year for us, certainly in North America, but probably for us worldwide. This is probably the biggest car event of the year. And what we're trying to do here in this Home of Bentley at Pebble Beach is, here's a way that we can express all that is special about Bentley. So it's not just the cars, although obviously that's the most important aspect of what we do. It's the whole lifestyle that goes around that as well. And so here we can explore what people want from their cars, but also we can show them what we could do in terms of furniture and merchandise, something that gives them a greater access, a broader access to the world of Bentley. Bentley, I think, has a few defining characters about it, which resonate well with our customers. I think we are essentially a British brand, and with that comes a degree of character. And I think our customers like that character. It's the character of Bentley that we're trying to display here in the home. We're about to bring out a car in the autumn of this year, so we're doing a little bit of a preview here behind closed doors for the exclusive few who are invited to come and see it. And this is taking the Mulsanne to the next level, if you like. The Mulsanne is the flagship of the fleet. It's the most gorgeous car. It's that wonderful combination of traditional craftsmanship and the latest automotive technology that is a very special Bentley, and I think is just the centre of gravity for the Bentley marque. But we're taking it a bit further in terms of technology and performance. And what exactly that means will become apparent when the car is released in the autumn. But for now, we could give prospective customers a little glimpse of what it's going to look like, and then some information that will help them understand how it's going to be quite different. We've known for a long time that whilst 95% of the cars that are paid for by customers have got the gentleman's name on the cheque, 95% of the decisions are made by their better half, who often has better taste, better feel for how the car should look. And if he's a sensible gentleman, he will include his better half in that decision-making process, because then it's our car, not my car. And what we've done here in the Home of Bentley is explore that. So whether it's furniture, whether it's merchandise, handbags, scarves, jewellery, we're trying to expand the Bentley product line, if you like, so that everybody feels they can be part of it. We hopefully can give our cars a character that endears themselves to their owners and sets them apart from other cars. And so I guess it's the character of Bentley that we're trying to display here in the home.